Hi guys, so right now I am about to get ready for a little photo shoot thingy. It's a meetup. I think the meetup is called 444 meetup. It's for photographers, and my stepdad is going to take pictures there, so I am going there as well, and people are gonna take pictures of me, so fun. So we're gonna get ready for that right now, so you guys gonna get ready with me. So this is a get ready with me adventure. Hello everybody. So we're gonna start off with makeup. So this is a dark mystical theme or whatever. So we're gonna try make a glossy gorgeous look, okay? So since it's going to be high def mirrors and things like that, we're going to get some primer. Where did I put my primer? It's out there, it's out there. I'm back, okay. We're going to do our base. So I'm not going to do any foundation today because I need a setting spray for that to make it look moist. And I'm not trying to be on these HD cameras looking dry. So we're just gonna do concealer since I do take care of my skin, so it's okay to do concealer. I'm gonna start with our correctors. Okay, these are the LA Girl Pro Conceal correctors. So I have lavender, green. I should have got mint, but I got green like a dumbass. So green, my actual skin color. So I'm gonna put that over here. Peach. Yellow, and my contour color, which is Toast. It's a really pretty color. So now we're gonna start. So first I'm gonna start under my eyes. I did not put this under my eyes. I'm just gonna put it under my eye, keeping it where the dark spots are. Now we take the I look crazy. Now we take the green the green, which is supposed to be mint, and then we put that where it needs to go, in the red spots. For you guys who don't know about color correcting, it's there just to make it easier for the foundation or concealer, whatever you're using, to cover up your blemishes, but it's depending on the color. So I had a darkness around my eyes, so the way to cancel that out was for me to use something red, but red would be too much for my skin color since I am lighter, so I had to get a lighter shade of red, which is peach. Now if you're darker than me, you would probably go with the darker color. And if you're lighter than me, you would have to go with the pink color. Ta-da! Okay, now we have to take the lavender, and this just to help highlight. So we're gonna put that in the areas we're trying to highlight. There you go. I don't really use the yellow, I'm not gonna lie. It's okay. Now we're gonna blend it, and you're trying to keep it in the same spot as you blend it. Just keep it there. It makes it easier to keep it there if you let it dry. So right now, you should probably go towards the peach and the green areas instead of the lavender areas. Okay, now we're going to take my concealer color, and this is not going to cover up everything, but it's a start. So now we're going to take now we let it dry. Now we let it dry. No. Now we let it dry. Now we let it dry. Now we let it dry. Bitch, get out of my mouth. Okay. Now brain may be thinking, Kelyse, you look like a fucking clown. It's okay. We're gonna fix that. Since the green is too dark, we're gonna take the peach to cancel it out. Let me pat this in. Now that we're nice and pale, we're going to add color. So basically, all you gotta do is we're gonna set certain parts of our face. After setting, we're now going to do the eye makeup. So we're gonna start on the outside of our eye. We're gonna do the crease. So we're gonna start with the purple, a matte purple using the Moroccan Spice palette by Fenty Beauty. We're gonna take the purple, which is I think it's Fez Up. I'm just gonna take it on the outside of our eye. Just blend that around just the eyebrow line, the brow bone. Really just get it blended out right there. Make it nice and soft. I don't like to take it all the way up to here. I like to leave a space. Some people like to bring it up there. That's your choice. And because it's supposed to be a dramatic look, I'm gonna take it out. I'm gonna clean up with concealer later. So there you go. Then we're gonna take the saffron shade. This shade is my favorite shade. And we're gonna bring it down towards the middle and leave a space for our glitter shade. Can you see that? And now we take the glitter shade. I'm gonna take this white, which has like pink glitters in it, and that white is Moroccan Nice. So putting that in the center here. Actually, just taking this brush so that we can pack it on. Putting it in the center. And then I'm going to take some more of the saffron and kind of just blend it with the glitter. Give it more of a pinky color. It stopped recording. Pink color. And then I'm going to take that, I'm going to blend it out so it matches with everything. Just blend. Blend, 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 blend of the Moroccan Ice. And then I'm going to put more of the Moroccan Ice on top. And then we're going to take concealer and fix it a little bit. You blend it, okay. And just to make sure that it doesn't blend into the makeup, I'm blending down. Now I'm blending out to avoid it clashing with the makeup. And see, it's a lot sharper now that I cleaned it. Okay, now we're gonna treat the under eye. So what I'm gonna do is I already have Moroccan underneath my eye where I want it, just adding a little bit more. Take this black called Shisha Smoke. It's not really black, it's like a purple color sort of thing. So, and then I'm gonna put the purple over top it. I'm gonna line the eye a little bit with the Crown Case colored pencils. This color is black ranked, so we're gonna color it with this. So that's the eyeliner. Did it very dramatic for the event, so the event is dramatic. So now we're finally gonna get to the color stage, putting color back in my face. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna take Human Get It, which is this color right here, and use that as a bronzer. Now we're gonna take our contour toast. Now we're gonna take the bronzer brush. Bronzer. I'm gonna go around the mouth. Now we're gonna take this rose gold kind of color that's Mirage right here. I'm gonna put this on our cheek. I'm gonna take Moroccan as inner corner highlight. My phone stopped recording again, guys. So basically what I did was I did a little bit of reverse contouring, I think it's called. And basically my real contour, the toast color is like right here. And underneath that, I took my brightening setting powder and I put it underneath to align it underneath to just emphasize the cheekbones. So that's what I did. And then I also put on some false eyelashes that flare out to the side, so they're not like too much, but they're there, like exaggerated natural lashes. That's what I did. Anything else? No, I think that's all I did. Yeah, thank you. Okay, outro time. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. There's definitely more coming soon, as I've advertised before. I will definitely show you guys behind the scenes of the photo shoot and things like that. And I'll definitely show you a little bit something else that I tried recently. So can't wait. So until then, please subscribe for more. Turn on the notification bell so you know whenever I have a new video or Kayla has a new video. Comment and like. Follow us on all our social medias. And if you want to see some dance routines, follow my other YouTube channel at KT.